Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the service. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into IDT Express's eSIM service, a solution I've been using and want to share my thoughts on. We'll cover the key features, how it works, and who would benefit most from using it. IDT Express provides a scalable and adaptable eSIM solution designed specifically for businesses and enterprises that require reliable global connectivity without the headaches of managing physical SIM cards. Setting up the service was quick and easy. After creating an account with IDT Express, eSIM activation is accomplished by scanning a QR code directly with your phone. Within moments, the eSIM is active and ready to use. This streamlined approach clearly prioritizes efficiency, enabling companies to manage numerous devices across various geographic locations without any friction. IDT Express offers a user-friendly dashboard that provides complete oversight and control over data plans. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses needing to monitor and adjust data usage in real time. Regarding network performance, my experience has been very positive. IDT Express collaborates with leading network providers worldwide, ensuring extensive coverage. Data speeds remained consistently strong during my testing, easily handling demanding tasks like video conferencing and streaming without any noticeable lag. This reliability makes it a solid choice for professionals who require consistent connectivity while traveling or working internationally. The IDT Express eSIM solution is tailored for users who value global reach without compromising speed or quality. One of its standout features is the flexibility of its data plans. IDT Express offers customizable data packages that can be scaled to match your business requirements, regardless of whether you're outfitting a small team or deploying devices across numerous regions. The pay-as-you-go option is another excellent feature, providing cost control for budget-conscious users. Furthermore, IDT Express provides responsive customer support, addressing any questions or technical issues promptly, which is essential for businesses reliant on uninterrupted service. In conclusion, IDT Express's eSIM service is an excellent choice for enterprises needing robust global connectivity without the complexities of traditional SIM card management. Its scalability, dependable performance, and flexible data plans make it an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes. If you believe IDT Express could be a good fit for your organization, explore their offerings further by clicking the links in the description below. Thank you for watching.